Now the first step is to play the game without the mods. Now if you're using mods, you can, if the mod is outdated, you can update the mod and then check, or you can play the game without the mods and then check. This has worked for many players, so it might work for you. Next step is to restart PC. Simply restart your computer, and after the system restart, you can check. Still not working, run gaming services repair tool, go to Xbox app, click on your profile icon, go to support option, click on gaming services repair tool, and then click on start repairing, click on yes to allow. Now this process will take some time, and once this is complete, you can close this and then launch the game and then check. Still not working, the next step is to launch the game from the game installation folder. For this, make a right click on the game, select manage, or you can click on these three dots and then click on manage, and then go to files and then click on browse. Open the game folder, make a right open content folder, make a right click on game launch helper, run as administrator, and then click on yes, and then you can check. Still not working, the next step is to turn off ray tracing in config file. Now for this, you can go to this PC, open C drive, users folder, open your username folder. Now open app data. If you don't see app data at the top, click on view, select show, put a check on hidden items, and then open app data folder. Open the local folder. Now open this folder, save folder, and over here open the config folder, WinGDK folder, open game user settings, and find ray tracing over here. Now over here you can see B hardware ray tracing. If this is set to true, you can type in false over here. In my case, it's already false. Then click on file, click on save. Now relaunch the game and then check. Still not working. If you are able to launch the game, if you're not able to launch the game, you can skip this step. If you're able to launch the game, you can turn off ray tracing, try window mode, and lower down video settings. So if the graphics quality is set to very high, you can set high, or you can even try medium and then check. Next step is to verify and repair the game files. Now to verify and repair, again, three dots, manage files, and then click on verify and repair, click on yes, and let the repair complete. Once the repair is 100% complete, launch the game and then check. Still not working. The next step is to create desktop shortcut and launch the game using desktop shortcut. Now for this, again, go to Xbox app and then click on these three dots. In my case, it's repairing the game files. Now you can click on these three dots and then go to manage and then click on create desktop shortcut. Now go to desktop. Here you can see desktop shortcut. Make a double click, launch the game from here, and then check. Still not working. The next step is to repair or reset the game. Now for this, you can open Windows settings, go to apps, then go to install apps or apps and features, and then find the game in the list. And once you find the game, click on these three dots, click on options, scroll down. First of all, click on terminate and then check. If that does not work, click on repair, and once the repair is done, launch the game and then check. Still not working, click on reset. Once the reset is done, close Xbox app, relaunch Xbox app, and then you can relaunch the game. Still not working, install Visual C++ file. For this, open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website here, you can see Visual Studio file. You have to download this x86 and x64. You have to download both the files. Click on it, run this exe file. Now if you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install button, hit install. Download this x64 file as well. Again, if you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install button, hit install, click on yes to allow, and let the installation complete. Once installation is complete, you can restart your computer, and after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to perform clean installation of your graphics card driver. So if you have AMD card, go to AMD website. If you have Nvidia card, go to Nvidia website. Select your graphic card. Make sure that you select your graphic card. This is just an example. I don't have AMD graphics, so click on submit. Select your operating system. You can install the latest graphic card driver. Click on download, run the exe file, and once installation is done, restart your computer and then check. Now if the latest graphic, after updating your graphics card driver, still not working, in that case you can scroll down, click on previous version. You can select your operating system. You can try previous graphic card driver. You can try 25.9.2 or maybe 25.9.1. click on download and then run the exe file, install it. After the installation, restart your computer and then checks. Nvidia card users, do the same thing. Select your graphic card from the list. Make sure that you select your graphic card, your operating system. Click on find. Now on this page, whichever is the latest GeForce Game Ready driver, you can click on it and then click on download. And once the download is complete, you can run this exe file. Click on yes to allow, click on OK, click on agree and continue over here, and then you have to select custom option over here, and then click on next, and then put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation. Put a check over here, click on next. After the clean installation, restart your computer, and after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run the game on dedicated graphic card. Now for this, type in graphics settings in Windows search box, click on graphics settings, and then click on add Microsoft Store app. Scroll down and find the game in the list. Now once you find the game, you can click on the game, and then once the game is added over here, find the game in the list, scroll down, click on the game over here, and then over here select high performance, and then launch the game. Desktop users, make sure that you connect your HDMI cable or display cable to the dedicated graphic card slot, not the motherboard slot. Disable integrated graphic card. Now for this, you can, if your computer has a dual graphic card, make a right click in the start menu, go to device manager, expand display adapter. In my case, the integrated graphic card is Intel one. Make a right click and then disable this device and then relaunch the game. Once the game is up and running, once you're done playing the game, you can make a right click and you can enable the device once again. Rollback graphics card driver. So if the latest graphic card driver is not working, after you select your graphic card, your operating system, click on view more version on this page. You can try the older version. You can click on view, download, and when you go for installation, make sure that you put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation, and then restart your computer, and after the system restart, launch the game and then check. Still not working. The next step is to delete DirectX shader cache. Now for this, type in disk cleanup in Windows search box, click on disk cleanup. Now put a check on DirectX shader cache. This is important, and also you can put a check on everything. These are temporary files, especially DirectX shader cache. Click on OK, delete files, and then relaunch the game. Also delete Nvidia GX or GL cache. Now for this, close all your Nvidia application. If you have any Nvidia application, Nvidia app, control panel, anything open, close it, and then open File Explorer. Go to this PC, open C drive, users folder, your username folder, app data, local, Nvidia folder, and over here you can see GX cache and GL cache. Make a right click and then click on delete. Once deleted, relaunch the game and then check, or you can restart your computer and then check. Next step is to delete U pipeline cache or U shader pre-cache. If you find it, for this you can go to this location, this one, and then open this folder, save folder, and over here if you find, in my case I already deleted it. If you find any file that ends with U pipeline cache or U shader pre-cache, you can just make a right click and delete it. In my case, it's already deleted, and then relaunch the game. It will recompile the shaders and then you can check. Next step is to reset shader cache in AMD app. Now if you're using AMD users, go to settings, graphics, advanced, reset shader, and you will see reset shader. Scroll down here, you can see reset shader cache. You can click on it and then perform reset, or you can go to gaming, then graphics, and then find reset shader and reset it and then check. Next step is to install the graphics driver. Install graphics driver from the AMD app. So you can go to AMD app, and then if there is any driver, you can click on install or reinstall and then restart your computer and then check. Also try factory reset. Now for this, you can go to settings, then system, and then you will find factory reset. You can click on factory reset, and then once done, relaunch the game and then check. Nvidia users, you can use Nvidia app to install drivers. So launch Nvidia app, and once it is open, now go to drivers, and then over here you will see install option, install or reinstall. Reinstall it, restart your computer, and then relaunch the game. Now the next step is to rename or delete the config folder. When you rename or delete the config folder, all the saved settings will be lost. Now for this, you can go to this location, actually the same location. Here you can see config folder. In my case, it's already renamed, so in your case it will be only config. So you can make a right click on config and then you can rename it. Once you rename it, now you can launch the game and then check. Still not working. So yeah, this is the location. Now the next step is to set try power saver mode. Now for this, type in control panel in Windows search box, click on control panel, go to hardware and sound, go to power options. In my case I have only balanced, but if you have power saver like this, you can select power saver and then relaunch the game and then check. You can even try balanced or high performance, but first of all try power saver and then check. Next step is to enable or disable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Now for this, type in graphics settings in Windows search box, click on graphics settings and then click on advanced graphics settings over here, and then over here you can see hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. If this is off, you can turn it on, relaunch the game and then check. If this is already on, you can turn it off, relaunch the game and then check. Still not working. The next step is to try launching the game from Nvidia app. Nvidia users, you can launch Nvidia app on your computer and then go to home and you will see the game over here. You can click on play over here and then launch the game from here. If that does not work, you can go to settings or you can go to graphics and then you can select the game over here. And over here, if you see optimize option, you can optimize it. I don't see optimize option, but once you select Outer Worlds 2, if you see optimize option like this, you can click on optimize and then you can launch the game and then check. If it is already optimized, you can revert the optimization and then you can relaunch the game and then check. Still not working, go to settings over here, turn off this Nvidia overlay, turn it off, close Nvidia app and then relaunch the game. Next step is to try debug mode. Now for this, go to desktop, make a right click on desktop, show more option and then click on Nvidia control panel. Now once Nvidia control panel is open, go to help option, put a check on debug mode. So if this is unchecked, put a check over here. Once debug mode is checked, now relaunch the game and then check. Still not working. Restore the settings in Nvidia control panel. So click on manage 3D settings, global settings, restore. Yes, at the bottom right you will see apply option, hit apply. And once it is done, now you can relaunch the game and then check. Still not working. The next step is to lower down monitor refresh rate. For example, if your monitor refresh rate is 240 Hz, you can try 120 or 60 Hz and then check. Disconnect multiple monitor, try launching the game on single monitor and then check. Next step is to install DirectX. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Click on download, run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Click on accept over here. Next, uncheck install Bing bar. Next, let the installation complete. Once the installation is done, restart your computer and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to update the BIOS. Go to your system manufacturer website, select your model number and then update the BIOS. In case of laptop, make sure battery is more than 10% and the AC adapter is connected to the computer when you update the BIOS. Next step is to unplug all the external devices which you are not using. So if you have any kind of USB adapter connected, disconnect external keyboard and mouse which you are not using, like Keychron keyboard or Razer Huntsman. You can unplug it, unplug HOTAs, wheel, pedals, any kind of. Sometimes we have extra controller connected, disconnect multiple monitor, turn off, like close all kinds of third-party application and services on your computer. Close overlay application, like if you have Discord running, go to Discord settings, turn off overlay. Close any kind of Nvidia app, turn off Nvidia overlay, close all the overlay application and then launch the game. Do not overclock, set the overclocking to default. Close all the overclocking application, like if you have MSI, Afterburner, Riva Tuner or any kind of overclocking application running, close it. Close online storage, like if you have OneDrive, Google Drive open, close it. Perform clean boot. Now for this, type in system configuration in Windows search box, click on system configuration. Go to the services tab, put a check on the box which says hide all Microsoft services. Make sure that you put a check over here first and then click on disable all, hit apply, click on OK. You will see a restart option, restart your computer and then check. If you have undervolted your computer, remove the undervolt and then launch the game. Next step is to update Windows to the latest version. For this, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update or Update and Security, click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can launch the game and then check. Still not working, increase the virtual memory. To increase the virtual memory, type in View Advanced System Settings in Windows search box and then click on View Advanced System Settings over here. And then under Advanced, click on Settings, the first setting, and then click on Advanced tab and then click on Change over here. You have to uncheck the box and then you have to select the drive where the game is installed. Make sure that you select the drive where the game is installed and then select Custom Size. and for initial size is 1.5 multiplied total RAM, for maximum is 3 multiplied total RAM. So you can check total RAM in Windows settings, go to system and then go to about option, and over here you can see in my case it's 16 gigabytes, so you have to calculate as per your RAM. And if you face any problem, we can always revert back the settings, so do not worry about it. So in my case it's 16 gigabyte multiplied 1024, that is total RAM in megabyte. For initial size it's 1.5 multiplied 1.5, that is 24576. For maximum size it's total RAM, that is 16 multiplied 1024, in my case 16384 megabyte, then 3 times multiplied 3, that is for maximum size it's 49152 in my case. And then you have to click on set is important, make sure that it hits set and then click on OK and then OK. Now relaunch the game and then check. If that does not work, then type in view advanced system settings again and then click on view advanced system settings, go to settings over here, click on change advanced tab and then click on change and then select system manage size this time and then click on set is important, click on OK over here, hit apply, click on OK, you will see restart option, restart your computer and then check. Still not working, we will revert to default, so you can type in view advanced system settings once again, settings advanced, change and put a check on this box and then hit apply, click on OK, follow the next step. Now still not working, the next step is to install all updates in Microsoft Store. So open Microsoft Store on your computer and then at the bottom left you will see download option, go to downloads, click on check for update and then you will see update all, update everything and then relaunch the game. Next step is to run this command. This command is provided in the video description. Copy this command and then type in PowerShell in Windows search box and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only and then click on yes to allow. Paste the command over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will install all the Windows default apps. Now during this process you will see red colors like this, so just ignore it, let the process complete, let it complete. Once this is complete, everything will be red. Once everything is red, now you can relaunch Xbox app and then relaunch the game. Still not working, install Xbox identity provider. For this you can open this link in a browser, it will take you to Microsoft website. On this website click on view store, open Microsoft Store and over here if Xbox identity provider is not installed, you will see install button or get option or maybe update option. Once installed, launch the game. In my case it is already installed. Next step is to uninstall and reinstall gaming services. Now for this you can copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell and make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow and then you can paste the command over here. Paste it, hit the enter key. And once this will uninstall gaming services from your computer. Now copy the second command and then paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. This will open store. Now click on get option, click on yes to allow and make sure gaming services is installed. Once this is installed, you have to relaunch Xbox app. So let it be 100% complete. Once done, you have to quit Xbox app, relaunch Xbox app and then you can relaunch the game. Now still not working. The next step is to uninstall and reinstall the game to different drive. Now for this you can open Xbox app and then you can uninstall the game first. So select the game and then uninstall. Now once the uninstall is done, click on your profile icon and then go to settings, go to install option. Now if the game was installed to C drive, if you have any other drive, you can click on this drop down option, select other drive and then install the game to different drive. Select other drive and then you can install the game. Now if the game was already installed to C drive, in that case if the game was already installed to different drive, you can select C drive from here and then install the game and then check. Still not working. The last step is to uninstall and reinstall the Xbox app. Now for this you can type in Xbox app, make a right click on Xbox app, click on uninstall. Once the uninstall is done, you can go to Xbox website, not the store, go to Xbox website and then click on Xbox app for PC, go to the official Microsoft website. Over here you can click on download the app, and then once the download is complete, run the exe file and then install it, and then launch Xbox app, and then you can try to launch the game and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to run this game successfully on your Windows computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.